Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. I am back doing a spring eyeshadow tutorial. Today I'm going to be using the Tarte Tartelette So Juicy palette. This one is actually discontinued, but they do have a smaller version. Why they got rid of this larger size, I don't know. Don't ask me. I think it's crazy, but this is a beautiful palette, guys. So if you purchased this when it first came out, bring it back out, get it from your drawer, and take it and use it for spring, guys. It is the perfect spring eyeshadow palette, I am telling you. So I'm starting off with the shade Rose, putting that in the crease, going back and forth. This is going to be my transition and blending color. I love this shade. It matches perfectly with my shirt, which is why I used it today. But like I said, it's perfect for like a blending shade. And these eyeshadows in this palette, guys, they're so good. Great quality. The eyeshadows just like melt in with each other. So now I'm taking the shade Luscious and I'm just deepening up the look a little bit, putting this strictly in the crease, going back and forth, making sure nothing is patchy or, you know, I don't have any harsh lines or anything like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the Sigma E25. If you guys don't have this brush, I highly recommend going onto the Sigma website and purchasing it like ASAP. So now, I've actually never used this color before. This is called Dusk, and I put it in the outer V and also in my crease. I know not a lot of people like to use like shimmery shades in their crease, but I kind of wanted this look to be more like on the shimmery side, you know what I mean? So I put it in the crease, outer V, and it actually turned out to be really, really pretty. I have no complaints. And then for pretty much all over my lid, I used the shade, what is this called? Dream Chaser. And like I said, I'm pretty much putting this all over my lid. I am going to put a lighter shade in the inner corners, but that will be a little bit later. And this shade is gorgeous. I love it. Look how rich and like metallic-y it looks. So good. Okay, so now for the inner corners, I'm taking Water Lily and putting that right on top of Dream Chaser and blending it out. I know right now it looks a little bit harsh, but I do blend it out. I have very small eyes, so sometimes when I have like a darker shade in the inner corner, it can really close them up and make them look smaller than they already are. So I like to have like a lighter shade in the inner corner. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to. And then I'm just blending everything out right here with my Sigma E40. This is also a really good blending brush. I'm sorry, my cat is like hungry, but he's just gonna have to wait. This is the Hourglass Vanish concealer, I think it's called. I actually really like this, guys. Like, it's not as good as my Too Faced concealer, but it's up there. It's like a good solid number 2. Gave me really good coverage and it didn't look cakey or dry underneath my eyes, so I do really like it. I got this I think last year in the Sephora VIB sale. And then for my eyeliner, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner, which is really, really good, guys. I know it's a little pricey. If you don't want to spend that much, use the Physicians Formula eyeliner, but this one is still really good and super easy to use. I love it. To set my concealer, I'm just using the Givenchy PRISME Libre Loose Powder as per usual. It's my favorite. And then just to highlight my eyebrow, I'm using Wishful. It's the cream shade in this palette. I'm using this little Eco Tools brush. It's like my favorite brush right now. I just pack it on and then I blend it out. And then for the lower lash line, I'm taking Euphoric, which is like the darkest matte shade. It's like a dark brown. Putting that in the outer corner of the lower lash line. And then I'm blending everything out with Rose, my transition color that I used. And it looks so pretty. I popped on some false lashes. This is what they look like. And then I finished up the look off camera. If you ever want to see my like face makeup tutorial, I post that on Instagram and TikTok. So that's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I love this look. I think it's so perfect for spring. But let me know what you guys think down below. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Have a good one, guys. Bye.